Hey everyone, I'm Blanca with Creativities Galore, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Hello Summer sign. Let's get started. I started by preparing my canvas, taking it out of its packaging, and then just using my Cricut craft knife to cut off the canvas from the back. Then I just pulled it off. And then I took off any excess canvas from the staples, and I ended up leaving the staples in the frame. Then I did a mixture of brown paint and water to use as a stain on the frame and rubbed off any excess. I put that to the side to dry, and then I worked on the canvas part. I took some yellow acrylic paint and a foam brush and just started painting directly onto the canvas. And a quick little tip is use a lint roller to clean off your canvas. I didn't, and you can see some little pieces right there through the paint. It ended up working out fine, but I would still suggest you to clean it off with the lint roller. I then took my scissors and cut off that excess canvas. I just followed the creased lines. And then I set that to the side to dry. Now I'm going to prepare the Hello Summer iron-on decal. I use the Cricut Design Space app on my phone. There it is. Connected that to my machine. I'm using the Cricut Explorer 3. And then let the machine do its thing. Make sure when you're working with iron-on, you put the shiny side down. I'm using the Smart material, which is why I don't need a mat. Now I'm just gonna take off the iron-on material that I don't need and weed out the little pieces inside the letters. Once the paint was dry on my canvas, I turned on my Easy Press 2 and applied the iron-on decal. Perfect fit. I do 30 seconds on the main piece, on the front. To flip it over and do 15 seconds on the back. Once it is cool to touch, I will remove the carrier sheet. Look how easy it comes off. Love that. And now I am going to put it back onto the canvas frame, and I'm just going to use hot glue to do that. This is why I didn't take off the staples, because the canvas covers it. You don't even see that. There we go. And now my Hello Summer sign is done. If you want, you could add a piece of ribbon or something to the back to hang it, but I left as is. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to create your own, and I'll see you next time.